Company Limited was founded on July 30th, 2019. Due to the expansion of the company's business, it moved to a new factory on 2019. We have more than 70 employees, 4 research and development personnel, 3 production lines. We mainly produces sunglasses, reading glasses, functional glasses, labor protection glasses, children's glasses, optical glasses, etc. Daily production of 80,000 products is supplied to customers around the world. We have won praise from customers. At present, the sales area mainly to Southeast Asia, Japan, India, and other countries. We firmly believe that our products will sell well all over the country in the near future. Focus on concentration, continuous innovation, is our consistent development philosophy. After continuous research, development, and innovation, the company has developed more than 280-plus glasses models. Whether it is classic or fashion, we can customize it for you. With the spirit of high efficiency, high cost performance, and high service, Zhongcheng encourages every employees to continue to overcome difficulties with innovative ideas. At present, we have a number of innovation patents and certificates, which effectively protects mutual benefit for customers and us. We are determined to manufacturers direct, no middlemen to earn price difference, with higher cost performance, to give customers better quality experience. This is our mission. Integrity first, quality Zhongcheng. Welcome to Linhai Zhongcheng Industry and Trade Company Limited.